Halo, ni aje wadau, sijui kama mnaniona. Now, welcome to Chebu Electrical and Electrician. So, one of you guys went ahead and asked me about a question on this thing you are seeing here. This thing is called a float switch. You know guys, I've done so many videos on this item. I've done so many videos on this item. So if you're new on my channel, kindly go there, search how to connect a float switch. I've even done a video on 2 float switches. Okay, now so today I'm going to explain deeper on how this thing works. Okay, so if you are joining first on my channel, kindly subscribe. If you are new, kindly subscribe. So don't forget subscribe. You can like, you can comment, you can do anything you like. So today guys, I will be explaining deeper on this thing here. It seems like most of you do not understand the video I did. So for the sake of you guys, so that you can understand, first of all, subscribe. Okay, subscribe. So this gadget here is called a float switch. A minute. Okay guys, don't mind. I'm looking. So this here is my new office. As you can see, I've not even put those items, materials. So if you can contribute, you are welcome. So let me put this way. So this video is going to be long, so don't mind, for the purpose of you guys to understand. So right there. So you see this one here is a one gang switch. Okay, a one gang switch which has 3 terminals. We have the common, we have the L1 here, then we have the L2 here. So the same as this one, I have the black cable here, and then I have the blue cable, then I have the brown cable. Same, the black cable is my common. Okay, all right, the black cable is my common. Then these two, the brown, then the brown, this one here, then the blue one, they are normally closed and normally open cables. Okay, all right. Now where does a float switch works? A float switch works on water. Is a basic item or is a basic gadget that works on tanks, water tanks, water wells, okay, dams, okay, on submersive pumps and also pumps. So you can connect this gadget here to monitor your tanks. When the water in the tank is empty, this gadget you can connect them. Okay, those who know, you can connect this gadget. You can connect it to pump your water to the tank, or you can I know you are understanding what I'm saying. Or you can connect this switch. Is a switch. Is a switch. This is a switch that is made to work on water purposes. Okay. So I can use it in a well. I can use it in a tank. I can use it in anywhere, but in quotes, water. Okay. So that's why it's very enclosed, so that it does not have any leakage. So as you know, water is a good conductor of electricity. So when this thing has a leakage, my friend, you will die. Okay, you will die, because you will be electrocuted. Once that water flow, then I know you are getting what I'm saying. So when you are doing wiring with this float switch, make sure you find a good electrician to do a very qualified work. Okay, so let us do now a simple practical. I think you are seeing. So my power here, there, I know you are seeing. My tester is lighting. You see there is power. Okay. Okay. So I have my bulb here. Okay. I have my bulb. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how this thing works. You see, there it is lighting. So we have power. We have electricity. So guys, let me show you. So what of all, remember this one is a switch. So all switches, you don't have to take your neutral to the switch. The only thing you do, the neutral cable, it is not interfered. So we're going to connect it direct from our source. So we are connected. We are going to connect it to our then I don't know if you are seeing. So guys, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to confirm to you on how this float switch, my float switch here, my switch here, how it will be working. So I've told you this black cable is the one that is common. Is the common. So guys, so for my case here, I'm going to use the blue cable. Okay, I show you how my switch will be working. Okay, I don't know if you are seeing. So I'm going to put on. Then you see it's not working. So this, I remember I told you this thing works best on tanks. Okay, so remember this thing, when it is like this, it means your water on the well, on the tank is full. Okay, so remember it has not put on this it does not put on this bulb. Okay, but when I put it like this, when I put it like this, see, it is on. So when I tilt it up, it is off. When I tilt it down, it puts on the bulb on. So it depends where you want to use it. Okay, you can use it on your tank. So you can decide. You want to be, the world of today, we want to live in the future. Okay, so ukitaka kuishi kwa future, tafuta fundi mzuri akuwekee vitu za kisasa. Hiyo maji ikiisha kwenye tanki unakumbuka, oh, water is empty, the tank is empty, so you have to run up and down, go and put on the motor. So the best option, you have to use this. Okay, so guys, the other thing, remember, if I may decide, I can use 2 float switches. Okay, if I decide, I can decide to use 2 float switches. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this blue cable, then this blue cable, I'm going to connect it to my common here. Okay? Alright. Then after that, I'm going to use my blue one there. So let us see. Okay. When it is empty, this one is, both of them are empty, but this one, let us assume this motor here will be our ground tank. Okay, I think this float switch is not okay, so we saw this one, you see. So guys, that's how float switches works. That is how float switches works. So you can decide to put this motor, this contactor. So remember, also I've done a video explaining more on how these contactors works. Okay, remember, I've done more videos on how these contactors works. Okay, so what is a contactor? Okay, if you want to know what is a contactor, I have so many videos, guys. Go check on Cebu Electrical and Electrician. You will see my many videos. Many videos. Okay, on top of that, remember to subscribe. Remember, when you subscribe, you give me a chance of doing the other video. Okay, so the best thing, let us start. So a contactor works best on if you have a problem of these float switches overheating, or you have a bigger motors. Okay, you have a story building and you have to install, you don't have to pay someone. Oh, remember, when the water in the tank is empty, go there and pump. Remember that person, you will be paying the person. Okay, so the best option, you have to find this contactor and 2 float switches. And then after that, you will have it installed. Then after that, you will continue with the job. Okay, so in my case here, let me
soda kama hiyo nataka. Soda kama
mambo vipi? Uko vizuri? So hii kichukua hapo, bibi hata sijaitoa vizuri. Kuna baru kwanza mkini
siendi.
sasa kianza pikipiki ndio hiyo. Tajiri. Siogope mara. Ona. Ndio mbaya.
Kwa hiyo kama ni mbaya
Very easy. Very, very easy. Maji ikiwa imejaa kwenye tenki hata utaelewa. Sio leo.
utaelewa bwana. Maji ikiwa imejaa kwa tenki.
Hii ni tenki ya juu. Hii ni tenki ya juu. Una mwata hii
Moja.
na hautaki watu waona kimbia kuasha kama una ploti ghorofa. Hutaki watu wanakimbia kuasha juu utawalipa. So umeinstall nini hii? Umeinstall hii. Sasa hii tanki ya chini ndio hii, si kweli? Na ya juu ndio hii. Unaona? Ndio. Ikijaa zikijaa zinakaa zote juu hivi. Sasa hii tanki ya juu hii zote zimejaa. Sasa wakitumia maji wanatumia gani? Si ni ya juu? Haya, ya juu inaisha. Moto imewaka. Unaona? Moto imefanya nini? Imewaka. Haya. Moto ya juu, maji ya juu imejaa. Imezima. Unaona? Haya, sasa ukiniuliza swali, je, ya chini ikiisha, moto yangu sitaharibika? Ngoja uone sasa miujiza. Ya chini imeisha, hakuna kitu kinafanyika. Haiwezi pump. Unanielewa? Haiwezi. Haya, ya chini imeisha, ya juu pia ikiisha, si bado moto itawaka? Haiwezi. Unaona bado moto yako imezima. Hatufanya nini? Haiwezi wa? Ona. Tanki zote zimeisha maji. Lakini ya chini ikijaa
inawaka.
Unaona? Ya chini ikifanya nini? Ikijaa. Moto inafanya nini? Inawaka. Haya, juu ikianza imejaa. Moto imezima. Umeelewa? Sasa hii tunatumia hii kwa sababu ya uzito. Ule uzito wa mota. Ushaona switch inaungua, inakaa afu ina overheat. Ushatumia welding. Maana hizi DP zinaungua sana. Sasa tunatumiaga hii sasa.
Kusave nini?
Sio kusave, hii inabeba ule uzito wa moto, ile joto. Hii inabebaga ile joto. Ili usipae ukinunua kila siku. Unaelewa sasa? Sasa kazi ya contactor ni hiyo. Tumeelewana?
Vizuri sana. Si hata moto zinaungua.
Hata moto zinaungua.
Kwa hiyo
hata moto zinatumaga tu switch. Mambo kama hayo.
Sasa hiyo ndio unaniambia kuelewa mpaka mwezi mgani. Vipi wewe ndio? Hiyo nimeshachukua hapo ni haraka sana. Kesho niko mtaani.
Ni hivyo basi. Ama nikuwekea tai wapi wa?
Nilishaona.
Kitaka mtu mwenye anataka maji na kontroliwa hivyo, nitafute kule di. Mwenye hataki sijui moto yake inaungua, ile moto itawaka hivi. Hivi mbona nguo ile inahepa itaki kunyesha?
Inajukusanya si kianza